Hi everybody, today I'm going to review the Knock Box by Breville, and I bought this so that I could use something to knock the pucks when I make coffee. Now I got this as used but like new from Amazon, and I swear usually I get them and they're brand new, but this one you can tell it was used because it has scratches on it, it had the coffee stain marks, and literally I just got it today. So I'm just gonna give you my impressions based on what I can tell you right now, because there's not much to it. Basically it's just like a can, and it's made of some sort of a cast aluminum or zinc. You can tell this is, and it's pretty hefty, it's heavy. Now this part, this is a little disappointing because this part cannot be detached, so you can't just put a bag inside and then put the bar on top of it, so you can just remove the bar and pull out the bag and clean the basket. So that's disappointing. Other than that, the fit and finish look nice. The bottom has a nice rubber seal, so this is not moving. And it seems to be nice. So I'm going to demonstrate how I use it, and we'll go from there. Let me just give you some measurements here. So this is at 17.5 centimeters in diameter, or almost 7-inch in diameter, and the tallest part is a little over 7-inch, or 18 centimeters. They definitely built this in metric space because it's pretty rounded as far as metric. Other than that, it's pretty cool. You can remove this, you can dump it. Not much to it. The inside looks like this. I mean, it's a nice item, definitely. Besides that little minus that you can't put a bag and the knock bar on top of it. I mean, it is what it is. So let me demonstrate it. We'll get right to making coffee. Okay, coffee, and let me knock it. We'll see. But this puck really wanted to get out because it got stuck. But anyway, it does work. You go like this, it falls in the basket, and that's it. Now, I really did not realize how big this thing is, because it's almost like 1/3 the size of the espresso machine. So if you are looking for something smaller, this might not be it. Yeah. Anyway, this was my quick review and overview. Really, it's not a review. There's not much to review. It's just to see if it fits your needs, or how it looks like, and what's the fit and finish. And the fit and finish, I think, is very, very nice. That's all. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, please thumb up. If you did not, just put the thumb down, but let me know why. And if you want to see future videos, please subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.